Hi, this is John here. Hope you guys doing alright. Last time we talked about how 5-paragraph macro outline works. Today we want to talk about the thesis specifically for our lecture today. So let's get it started. So today we're gonna do thesis 1. What is a thesis? Alright, so we're gonna define a thesis today, and we're gonna also see how it looks like. So what is a thesis? We talked about this 5 macro outline from the previous meeting. So today we're gonna focus mainly on the thesis part here. Thesis is part of the introduction, the most important, most essential part of the thesis. The introduction, I'm sorry. A thesis is one sentence that tells the reader know what the essay is about and what your overall opinion is. So it's a single sentence that captures the basically summarizes the whole the main point of your essay. It is something that other people can disagree or agree with, but it has to make sense. It has to be sensible and logical at the same time. It is also something that you have to be able to prove or disapprove. Okay? And where does it go? So where should we place this thesis? Your thesis goes at the very end of your first paragraph of your essay. Typically your first paragraph of your essay, it's introduction, right? Which means your thesis goes at the very end of your introduction. The last sentence of your introduction. This means that your first paragraph should give the background details your reader needs to know before narrowing down to your thesis. So how it looks like, we can use the cheese here to kind of show you how we can better structure this thesis. So this is first paragraph here. So we want to start something broad, right? So at the very beginning of your first introduction, we want something more broad details, like your background information or hook, for example. So you want to start with your first introduction with the hook, then a little bit of background details about how your paper is going to be, and you don't want to be too specific, but you want to make sure your background details are more generally captured. And then as we go down and narrow to towards the end of introduction, then there's a thesis. Thesis again is a single sentence that comes at the very end of your introduction. So what does the thesis look like? Here are some sample theses here. School uniforms get in the way of students' creativity. Again, this is one sentence. And so from the thesis here, the paper is going to be about how school uniforms and the creativity related to each other. Second example here, offering free breakfast programs in schools help students concentrate. Again, one sentence. Again, from this we know how the providing free breakfast programs to students help them better concentrate, if there is any correlation or any causal relationship between these two variables. The third example here is the 5th grade students who have cell phones are more independent than those who do not have them. Again, based on this thesis, we know that the paper is going to be about the 5th graders who have cell phones and 5th graders who do not have cell phones, and which group of these two would be better off, basically. Okay. So how can I make my own thesis? All right, that's a great question. That's up. We're gonna talk about that in our next lecture. So lecture 3, we're gonna discuss how we can form our own the thesis. All right. Thanks for watching this lecture today, guys, and hope you guys enjoyed. And in our next meeting, we're gonna further discuss about how the thesis works and how we can make our own thesis. Okay. So have a great day and choose.